The Rake and Shake comes in 4 different models depending on what you have available to you for a carrier and the type of work that primarily it's intended to be put to doing for you. All the way from the 660, which is your lighter end acreage tractors and skid steers, up to the 960, which is your professional agricultural front wheel assist, bidirectional tractors, and of course your largest skid steers. Depends again on what you have for a carrier and what kind of work you're expecting it to accomplish. My general design philosophy with anything I build is that I want the owner to be able to keep the thing in good working order himself. Example of that, we use industrial grade bolt-on teeth. You can source them from any good industrial supply and lets you stay in the driver's seat in terms of keeping your machine in operating order. Anytime you design equipment, there's always a balance you're trying to strike between of cost and availability and accessibility for the customer to be able to afford to get the tool that's going to do the job for him, and a tool that's strong enough to make sure he doesn't end up having to come back with complaints. Our initial prototype, we've had out doing field work for about 6 years, and so far we're very happy with everything. We always want feedback from customers. The 4 sizes you see is primarily because of feedback from customers as to what they would like and appreciate seeing us do. The primary purpose of the end plates is to improve the efficiency when you're doing sifting of the small stuff. The initial prototype never did have end plates on it, and we would occasionally get stuff spilling out the sides. We realized that if sifting is your principal occupation with this, then end plates are certainly an option that would be very useful. Saves on the frustration, saves on the fuel bill, improves the productivity. Since one of the primary uses for the Rake and Shake is to be very efficient in sifting, it only made sense that we add the option to be able to put different size screens in the bottom, depending on the size of material that you're trying to segregate. And so it'll accept anything that you choose to put in there. It's strictly optional. And if you chose to, you could even screen the inside of the trommel. So far, we haven't found that necessary with what we're doing, but it's built so that you can do that.